Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to easily change your Toyota Tundra key fob battery. This simple task can be done in just a few minutes with minimal tools. First, locate the emergency key release on your fob. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin and one new CR2032 battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick. Now, let's open the key fob. Press the small button on the side or back to release and slide out the emergency key. Next, look for a small indentation or slot along the edge of the key fob. Insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into this slot. Carefully twist the tool to gently separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the small, round battery. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver or the emergency key. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment. Make sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Press it firmly into place to ensure it makes proper contact within the housing. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Then, slide the emergency key back into its slot until you hear a click, indicating it's locked. Finally, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle. No reprogramming is needed. Your key fob should now work perfectly with its fresh power source.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.